Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to sign up for a DeepSeek account. If you're looking for a way to get started with DeepSeek AI, then follow these steps. First of all, download the DeepSeek AI application on your mobile device, or if you're using your computer or your browser, you can go ahead and type in deepseek.com on a web browser. Here I just have downloaded the DeepSeek application, so let me tap it open. After opening up DeepSeek app, you will see this login screen. In order to create a new account and get started, tap on Sign Up. Now, enter your email address in the top of the screen. If supported, you may also enter your mobile number, but this differs according to your region or your state, so go ahead and enter whichever option is available at the top. After typing down an email, create a password for your account in the password field. Confirm the password by re-entering it again, and now you will need to verify your email address. Tap the Send Code button and you will receive a verification code sent to you via your entered email. Open up your email inbox and you'll receive a verification code. Simply go ahead and type down this code inside your DeepSeek app. After you do that, click on this I confirm circle at the bottom and finally click Sign Up. Right after you do that, you will be able to create a new account for DeepSeek. You can now go ahead and explore everything it offers. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.